Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have your Jio Bharat SIM and data ready. Now open the YouTube app or YouTube.com. Sign in with your Google account so recommendations and subscriptions sync. Once signed in, allow permissions for storage and network so downloads and playback work. If you'll watch on Wi-Fi or hotspot, make sure the Jio data connection shows adequate signal bars. Start a quick search for a familiar channel to verify playback begins, because that confirms connectivity and account access before deeper configuration. Once a video plays, tap the three dots to set quality. Choose Auto for variable speeds, or lock 480p/720p to control data. Use the download button while on good Jio coverage to save videos for later offline viewing. If you need clearer audio, enable captions and adjust playback speed. These help comprehension and data use. Make sure background play or downloads are configured if you have YouTube Premium, because that changes how content consumes data and runs when the screen is off. To finish, share links or cast to a TV using the cast icon. Confirm your TV or dongle and phone are on the same Jio network. Review settings. Disable autoplay, set download quality limits, and clear watch history if recommendations are off. If playback buffers, first toggle mobile data off and on, then force close YouTube and reopen. If that fails, lower quality to 144p 360p to test. The most reliable quick fix is restart the phone. This refreshes the Jio connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.